Most people spend their entire lives working for money. But the wealthy? They build systems that make money work for them for generations. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Generational wealth is not just for billionaires. It's built through habits, strategy, ownership, and patience. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how ordinary people can start building real wealth that lasts for decades, even if you're starting from zero. And trust me, the final step is the difference between people who stay rich and people who lose everything. Welcome back to the Jewish Wealthways channel. If you want financial freedom, smarter money habits, and strategies the wealthy use to stay ahead, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because today, we're talking about one of the most important financial goals anyone can have: building generational wealth. Not just making money, not just saving money, but creating assets and opportunities your children and grandchildren can benefit from long after you're gone. Let's get into it. Uno, change your mindset. The first step to building generational wealth is changing the way you think about money. Most people focus on income. Wealthy people focus on ownership. Employees trade time for money. Owners build assets that continue generating income over time. That could be businesses, real estate, investments, intellectual property, dividend stocks, online brands. The goal is simple. Stop relying on one paycheck, because true wealth is built when your money continues working even when you're sleeping. Live below your means. This may not sound exciting, but it's one of the biggest secrets to wealth. Most millionaires don't look rich. They avoid unnecessary debt. They don't buy liabilities to impress strangers. And they understand one important rule. If your lifestyle increases every time your income increases, you'll stay financially trapped forever. Wealth is what you keep, not what you spend. Start budgeting. Avoid bad debt, and focus on buying assets instead of liabilities. Small financial discipline today creates massive financial freedom tomorrow. 3. Invest early and consistently. One of the greatest wealth-building tools in the world is compound interest. The earlier you invest, the more powerful your money becomes over time. Even small investments can grow into huge amounts over decades. That's why wealthy families invest consistently. Index funds, real estate, businesses, retirement accounts, dividend-paying assets. The key is consistency, not trying to get rich overnight. Most people lose money chasing fast success. Wealthy people play the long game, because generational wealth is built slowly, then suddenly. Create multiple streams of income. Depending on one source of income is risky. The average millionaire has multiple streams of income. That might include a full-time job, investments, rental income, side businesses, digital products, online content, affiliate marketing. The goal is to create income that continues even when you're not actively working. And thanks to the internet, building additional income streams has never been more accessible than it is today. Your first stream of income pays your bills. Your additional streams build your freedom. Teach financial literacy to your family. This is where most families fail. They may leave behind money, but they don't leave behind financial education. And without financial literacy, wealth disappears quickly. Real generational wealth includes knowledge, discipline, financial habits, business understanding, investment education. Teach your children how money works, how investing works, how credit works, how to build businesses, how to manage wealth responsibly. Because if you build wealth without building wisdom, the wealth usually disappears within a generation. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is important. Protecting it is just as important. This includes insurance, emergency funds, estate planning, trusts, wills, diversified investments. Many families lose everything because they fail to plan properly. The wealthy think long-term. They prepare for risks before problems happen. Because generational wealth is not just about making money, it's about preserving it. Here's the reality. Building generational wealth won't happen overnight. But every smart financial decision you make today can completely change your family's future tomorrow. Start small. Stay consistent. Think long-term. And focus on ownership instead of appearances. Because one disciplined generation can change the trajectory of an entire family forever. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below.